I am all excited. I'm here at the Delray Beach Hair Club. I'm getting my Xtrands Plus service and a new haircut. My stylist, Sara, told me great things about the technology, and I'm really excited how it's, as much as I'm blown away every time I come out of here, that it's going to be that much superior than before.
All right, well, let's get Sara. We're going to get started today, and we'll meet again at the end of your appointment and hope that we reach all your expectations.
You always think about how going bald and losing your hair is going to affect you, and it's stuff that's always in your mind, or even at work. You know, it's all about your appearance so many times. And when I met with Sara, the stylist, so professional, absolutely blew me away, impressed me, and with her I had that comfort level, but it was the same comfort level when you trust a dentist, a doctor. It's that trust, and it does look fantastic, and I know I look so much better. But all in all, it's just because you're standing taller, you're prouder, you feel better, puts the sparkle back in your eye, and importantly, even though a lot of what I do work-wise is on the phone, it's just that confidence in yourself again that comes through. I know I don't look it, nobody ever believes my age, and yeah, again, it helps you exude confidence in yourself. And bottom line is you just feel great about yourself. Coming to Hair Club, getting my hair back, I got my life back.